Procreate tips part 13. Did this ever happen to you, that you draw your stencil and then you click on layers and see that you draw everything on the wrong layer and you just fucked up your reference? I'm gonna show you how to fix that. You have to duplicate the layer twice, click on the middle layer, click on adjustments and make the saturations to 0. Then take the upper duplicated one and go to difference. You can already see that you see all the lines now because it takes the differences from both of the layers. And then you go to adjustments, saturation of 0, curves, and you already see it's like you didn't even made a mistake. Yes, this can save you a lot of time, but still always check your layers that you draw on the right one. Thank you for watching.